Hi students, how are you? I hope you are doing well and you are staying at home and going well. Okay, I am also fine. In the previous class, we had discussed about our third lesson, a present for mother. A present for mother. It's a play. It's a play. Play means, what is the meaning of play? Drama. Play means drama. Play means drama. And as it is a play, there were so many characters in it. There were so many characters, and who were the characters? Can you say who were the characters? Jenny, the girl, Bill, the boy, the little rabbit, little deer, little bear. Yes. Then who is the next one? Who were the characters? Jenny, Bill, little squirrel. Who is the first one? Little squirrel. Then at the opening of the drama, it was a scene in the woods. It was a scene in the woods and there was a big piece of log there and it is used for sitting by animals and these two children, Jenny and Bill. Here we saw that Jenny and Bill were sitting on the log and at that time a little squirrel came there and the squirrel asked them, why are you sitting here? What is your problem? You are looking so disappointed. Why are you looking so disappointed? What is your problem? Then the children told them that they want to give a present for their mother. What is the meaning of present? Present means gift. Present means gift. They want to give a present for their mother on which day? On Mother's Day. On Mother's Day. When do we celebrate Mother's Day? Can you say Mother's Day? When do we celebrate Mother's Day? Mother's Day is celebrated on second Sunday of May every year. Second Sunday of May every year Mother's Day is celebrated. And here the little squirrel told them that we are looking for a present and I can give you an idea. I have an idea and your mother will be happy if you give your mother a big juicy nut. If you give your mother a big and juicy nut, your mother will be very happy. Then the children told him that my mother is not a squirrel to like big and juicy nuts. My mother is a human being. She don't like the big and juicy nuts. Then who came next? At that time the little deer came there and he also inquired about the reason for their disappointment. Then the children and the squirrel told him that these children are in need of a good present for their gift and can you say an answer, can you give an idea, can you have any plan? And then the deer told them that if you give your mother a fine patch of grass, your mother will be very happy. Then the children told him that their mother is not, our mother is not a deer to like green patch of fine grass. Our mother is not a deer. Then who came the next? Then came the little bear. The little bear came there and he also had an idea. What was his idea? The bear told them that if you give some golden honey to your mother, your mother will be very happy. Golden honey. It is very tasty. All of you like honey? Yes. Then the honey is very tasty and the children and the squirrel and the deer did not like this idea too. They denied this idea. They did not accept this idea of the bear. And all of them were there. And there came the little rabbit. Who came next? The little rabbit. What was the idea of the rabbit? The rabbit told the children that if you are giving a juicy and big carrot to your mother will be very happy. Then they smiled together. They all smiled together and told him that my mother is not a rabbit to like juicy and big carrot. And they did not accept neither of the idea put forward by the four animals. That means the little squirrel, the little deer, the little bear and the little rabbit. And they are in a dilemma. Dilemma means confusion. These children and the animals were in a dilemma to why they couldn't fix a present for their mother. So the squirrel told them that there is a wise old owl in the woods. There is a wise old owl staying in the woods, and he is a wise one, and he is very clever. He can help us. He can help the children to find a present for their mother. He can help the children to find a present for their mother. So they all marched towards the house of the wise old owl. They decided to go to the house of the wise old owl for seeking his help. And who is the leader of the march? Who is the leader of the march? The little squirrel is the leader of the march. He is in the habit of bragging. What is the meaning of bragging? Boasting. He is in the habit of boasting things. Here it is scene 2. Today we are going to study scene 2. Settings. A slightly different woods, a tree hollow in the center. Then first scene was in the woods, and there was a log, and there was so many bushes around the log, and it was a good place. And the second scene was also in the woods, and it is a slightly different wood. A slightly means there is a small difference. There is a small difference in the woods. There is a small difference in the woods. And a tree hollow in the center. There was a tree that is hollow in the center. There was a tree, it is the tree trunk, and there was a hollow space in the trunk. It is the tree trunk, and there was a hollow space in the trunk. Hollow space means empty space. There was nothing here. There was a hollow space means hole. There is a hole in the tree trunk. There was a hole in the tree trunk at rise. Jenny, Bill and all others are grouping around the hollow tree. Jenny, Bill, the little squirrel, little rabbit, little deer and little bear were present near the tree where the hollow trunk, the tree which has the hollow trunk. Bill. You call him little squirrel. In the early portion, already we had seen that the squirrel boasting that the wise old owl is my friend, he is my neighbor, and he know me very well. So here Bill asked the squirrel to call him out. Bill asked the squirrel, you call him little squirrel? You squirrel, you please call the wise old owl. The little squirrel, you please call the wise old owl. Little squirrel. Mr. Owl, Mr. Wise Owl, what did he do? He called out loudly. Mr. Owl, Mr. Wise Owl, Wise Old Owl. Who? What was the reply? The wise old owl asked, who is calling me? Little squirrel. It is little squirrel and some friends. We need your help. Little squirrel told in loud voice. It is little squirrel and some friends of mine. I and my friends are waiting here. We need your help. It is little squirrel and a lot of friends with me. I am coming with my friends and we want your help. We need your help. We need your help. Wise old owl sticking his head out of the door in the hollow tree. What did the owl do? He stick out of the hollow window. He stick out of his head out of the door. He pointed his head out of the door to look who were the friends of the little squirrel. Who were the friends of the little squirrel? And he peeped through the door. What do you want me to do? What kind of help you need from me? What can I do for you? What kind of help do you need from me? Jenny, it's Mother's Day. Mr. Wise Owl. Mr. Wise Owl, the next Sunday is Mother's Day. Next Sunday is Mother's Day. Bill, we can't think what to give to our mother. We are going to give a present we decided to give a present for my mother, but we couldn't find which present did she like most. Which present did she like most? We cannot think what to give to our mother. Little squirrel. None of us can think what she would like. Little squirrel said that none of us can think. We couldn't find a solution for their problem. We have put forwarded so many ideas, but any of the ideas is not up to one. Any of the idea is not a suitable one. Little bear, not honey. I said honey will be enough. Then it is not a honey. They did not like honey. Little deer, not grass. The mother did not like grass. Little squirrel, not a nut. The mother did not like a nut. Wise old owl. Well. There is a very simple answer to that. I can help you. There is a very simple answer for that. Don't think thoroughly about that. Don't think of that strongly. You simply just think and you can find an answer to your question. Jenny, oh, tell us what is it then? You have an idea. You told that you have an idea to help us. Then what is that idea? Can you tell the idea? Bill, yes, tell us please. Bill also insisting that you tell us please. Voice all down. You can tell the idea. Animals, please do tell the idea. Please do help me finding an idea. Voice all down. Every day you see things you think are beautiful or odd or interesting, don't you? Every day in your life you think about or you come across or you experience some ideas or something that you think it is very happy, think are beautiful. You come when you walk here and there, when you go to home, when you go to school, every place you find something that is very beautiful. You find something, sometimes it may be very beautiful, sometimes it may be very odd one, it is strange one, or sometimes it is very interesting. Whenever you saw something, you think that it will be liked by our mother. Our mother will be happy if she see this scene. Our mother will be happy. This scene will make our mother very happy. If she is with us, we can enjoy. If she is with us, we can enjoy it a lot. Do you experience such one? Do you have such experiences? Interesting experiences, happy experiences, exciting experiences, or some strange experiences? Do you experience something like that? Jenny, oh yes, we experienced a lot of things like that. In the morning itself, I saw a bird flying very fast through the sky, flying very fast through over us. And when I saw that bird, I hope if my mother is with me, she will be very happy. I hope if my mother is with me, she will be very happy. Jenny, oh yes, of course, very often we think that when if our mother is with us. Why so down? Some of them you exclaim over and show each other. Isn't that true? Whenever you see something that exclaims you or that excites you, that and you will think that your mother that sight will make your mother very happy. Isn't it right? Isn't it right? Yes. Show each other. Isn't it true? Whenever Bill and Jenny walked together to school, Jenny saw that there is a cow and it's a young one cow and its young one are there, and the little cow looks so pretty, so beautiful. Then she will call Bill. Bill, look at it. It is very pretty. It is very beautiful. Don't you think so? It is very beautiful. Yes, we always do that. Bill said that. Yes, we always do that. We are in the habit of doing such kind of things. Whenever she sees something interesting, she will call me and show that to me. Whenever in rainy season we sometimes see that there is a rainbow in the sky, not in the sky, in our surroundings there is a rainbow. Whenever we are in our school bus, we sometimes saw there is rainbow and we called out our friends, oh, hey my friend, look here, there is rainbow. Like that, so many we experienced it so many times. We experienced it so many times. Why sold out? And sometimes you say, oh, I wish my mother could see that. Now don't you? Wise old owl asked the children, do you wish your mother will be with you in some sites? If you are experiencing that situation, you will think that if my mother is with us, if our mother is with us, this will make our mother happy. Do you have such an experience? Jenny and Bill. Oh yes, we have such experiences. Wise or out. Well, the next time you come to something that makes you wish as hard as anything that mother could see it. Whenever you came across in your life, whenever in further times, whenever you came across such sights, you think that if my mother is with us, if our mother is with us, this sight will make her more happy. And whenever you come across such a situation, Jenny, yes, what can we do? Why so down? That is the present for your mother. That will be the best present for your mother. That is the best thing you can give to your mother. Okay, whenever you have such an experience that makes you think that if our mother is with me, she will be very happy now on seeing this sight, on seeing this situation. And whenever you think about such a situation, that will be the best present that you can give to your mother. That will be the best present that you can give to your mother. That will be the best present you can give to your mother. That will make your mother more happy. That will make your mother more happy. Jenny, yes, I saw doll. That is the present for your mother. That will the best present. That will be the best present for your mother. Jenny, oh, I know just what you mean. Now I understand what do you mean. Now I understand what do you mean. What is your plan? There was a patch of wild flowers on the edge of the woods, and we stopped there a long time just looking, and we wished that mother could see them. Okay, there was lot of such experiences in our life. Jenny told the wise old owl that there was lot of such experiences in our life. In this morning also we have come across such a situation. In this morning also on our way to these woods, woods means forest, on our way to these woods we experienced such a situation. We experienced such a situation. In this morning itself we experienced such a situation. What was the situation? Let us find out. There was a patch of wild flowers on the edge of the woods. There were so many patch of means a large amount of. There was a patch of wild flowers. There was a number of wild flowers in plants. There were a number of wild flowers in the plants. Wild flowers in the plants. And on the edge of the woods, where they saw the flowers, they saw the flowers at the edge. Edge means end of the forest. That means at the beginning part of the forest. When we came to, in this morning itself, when we came here on our way to here, we saw a fine patch of wild flowers. So many colorful flowers, blue flowers, yellow flowers, white flowers, red flowers, so many colorful flowers, a fine patch of wild flowers. We saw a fine patch of wild flowers where at the edge of the forest, at the end of the forest. And we stopped there a long time on seeing the beautiful flowers. What did Jenny and Bill do? Jenny and Bill stopped there to enjoy the beauty of the flowers. They stopped there for a long time to enjoy the beauty of the flowers. That was a fine patch of wild flowers, and they enjoyed there. They stayed there for a long time. They waited there for a long time to enjoy the beauty of the flowers. Then they wished that if our mother is with us, she will be very happy. Okay, if our mother is with us to see these beautiful flowers, she will be very happy. She is staying at home doing some household activities, and we are on our way to this forest to find a solution for their problem. What was their problem? They couldn't fix what gift they can give to their mother on Mother's Day. Then on hearing the advice of the wise old owl, these children realized what gift they can do to their mother. The children understood that which is the valuable gift. Valuable means precious. Which is the precious gift they can give to their mother. Which was the precious gift? They saw in the morning on their way to these woods, they saw a fine patch of wild flowers, beautiful colored wild flowers at the edge of the forest. Edge means end. At the edge of the forest, and at that time they stopped there for a long time. They stayed there for a long time to enjoy the beauty of the flowers. Then they think that if our mother is with us, she will be very happy. She is fed up with the household activities every day and night. She is doing the same thing. She don't even get enough time to spend outside. She don't get enough time to spend outside. If she see the sight of these wild flowers, she will be very happy. Then the children understood that what gift they can give to their mother. What gift they can give to their mother. Bill, I remember, let us go and pick some, Jenny. Then she could see them. Ah, you also remember the sight of the flowers. I also remember, I can memorize the sight of the flowers. It was a beautiful sight and we can pick some of the flowers. Pick means pick, take. We can take some of the flowers and we can give it as a present to our mother. We can give it as a present to our mother. Jenny. Oh yes, let's do that. As they start off, Jenny looks back. As they are moving to the edge of the forest, now they think that, now they understood that which is the correct gift, which is the suitable gift for their mother, that make their mother very happy, that make the which gift can make our mother more happy. Then they understand that they can pick some flowers and give it to her, their mother, for making her happy. Understanding this, they are in a mood to run to the site of the flowers and they can pick some. They began to run off from the woods. And what did Jenny do? As they start off, as they began to move from there, Jenny looks back and thank you Mr. Wise Owl and goodbye. And what did Jenny say? Jenny said thank you to the Wise Owl for giving them a good idea. Said thank you to the Wise Owl for giving them a good idea. Who gave the wise idea? Who gave the wise idea, or who find a suitable solution for their disappointment? The wise old owl give a perfect solution, give a perfect idea about the gift, perfect idea about the gift. Then Jenny said thank you to the wise old owl. Bill, and thanks to you little dear, sweet squirrel, we are going to get our mothers some pretty flowers. What did Bill say? Jenny said thank you to the wise old owl, and here Bill said thank you to all the other animals. Hi, thank you Mr. Squirrel, thank you little deer, thank you little bear, and thank you little rabbit. You all helped us a lot. You all helped us a lot, and here now we are going to pick some flowers and give it to our mother as a gift. We got a decision. We decided what kind of a gift should we give to our mother. We decided that we can give some flowers and that will make our mother very happy. That will make our mother very happy. Little squirrel, and I am going to get my mother a big nut. Then what did little squirrel said? Little squirrel said that I am also going to give a big and a juicy nut to my mother. That will make my mother happy. Squirrels like nuts more than anything, and I will give my mother a big and juicy nuts. Little deer, and I am going to get my mother some grass. Little deer said, I am also giving my mother some grass that will make her happy. Little bear, and I am going to get my mother some sweet golden honey. What did bears like? Bears like golden honey. What did rabbits like? Rabbits like carrot, big and juicy carrot. What did squirrel like? Squirrel like big and juicy nuts. What did deer like? Deer like fine patch of green grass. Deer like green grass. Little bear, I am going to get my mother some sweet golden honey. And Jenny, then we will all be celebrating Mother's Day. Jenny told all of them that then we will all celebrate Mother's Day together. All of us can give gifts to our mother, gifts to our mothers. All of us can give gifts to our mothers on celebrating Mother's Day. Bill, what fun! It will be very funny thing. It will be a very funny thing. All proof of all the characters went off from there. Then the curtain falls down. Okay, I will read today's portion one more time. You please take your text and listen. Scene 2. Setting. A slightly different wood, a tree hollow in the center. At rise, Jenny, Bill and all others are grouping around the hollow tree. Bill, you call him little squirrel, Mr. Wise Owl, Mr. Owl, wise old owl. Who, little squirrel? It's little squirrel and some friends. We need your help, wise old owl, sticking his head out of the door in the hollow tree. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Jenny, it's Mother's Day, Mr. Wise Owl. Bill, we can't think what to give to our mother. Little squirrel, none of us can think what she would like. little bear. Not honey, little deer. Not grass, little squirrel. Not a nut, wise old owl. Well. There is a very simple answer to that, Jenny. Oh, tell us what it is, whether Bill. Yes, tell us please, animals. Please do, wise old owl. Every day you see things you think are beautiful or odd or interesting, don't you, Jenny? Oh yes, wise old owl. Some of them you exclaim over and show each other. Isn't that true, Bill? Yes, we always do that, wise old owl. And sometimes you say, oh, I wish my mother could see that now, don't you? Jenny and Bill. Yes, wise old owl. Well, next time you come to something that makes you wish as hard as anything that mother could see it. Jenny. Yes, wise old owl. That is the present for mother. That is the present for mother. Jenny. Oh, I know just what you mean. There was a patch of wild flowers on the edge of the woods and we stopped there a long time just looking and we wished that mother could see them. Bill. I remember. Let us go pick some, Jenny. Then she could see them. Jenny. Oh yes, let us. As they start off, Jenny looks back. Thank you, Mr. Wise Owl, and goodbye. Jenny said thank you to the Wise Owl. Bill. And thanks to you, little bear, little deer, and sweet squirrel, we are going to get our mother some pretty flowers, little squirrel. And I am going to get my mother a big nut, little deer. And I am going to get my mother some grass, little bear. And I am going to get my mother some sweet golden honey, Jenny. Then we will all be celebrating Mother's Day. Bill. What fun. It's a very funny thing. Yes, we have completed our third chapter, that is a present for mother. We have completed our third chapter, a present for mother. And this chapter is over and it is a lengthy chapter. It is very not very easy, but when you read the text so many times it will be very easy for you. It is if you have a sibling, elder one, you ask them to sit with you and you can read once in one part and the others can read one part. Then it will be very easy for understanding. And when our notes will come to you, I will explain the notes and you read the text so many times as you can. Read the text so many times as you can. It is a very interesting story. I will say the summary one more time. This chapter is a present for mother. What is the meaning of present? Gift. What is the meaning of present? Gift. And it is a play. What is the specialty of this chapter? What is the specialty? It is a play. What is the meaning of play? Play, drama. Play means drama. Play means drama. D-R-A-M-A. Drama. Drama. As it is a drama, there were so many characters in it. Who were the characters? J-A-N-I-E. Jenny. Who were the characters? First one, Jenny. Jenny is a girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. First character, Jenny. Then who is the second one? Bill. Who is the second one? First you study about the characters. Bill. Bill is the boy. Bill is the boy and Jenny is the girl. Then who were the other characters in this play? Who were the other characters in this play? First one, a little squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Little squirrel. Then who is the second one? Little deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Third one. Who is the third one? Third one, little bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Little bear. And who is the next one? Little rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. These four animals couldn't find a solution for their problem, the problem of Jay and Bill. And what is the problem? What is the problem of the children? The children's problem was that it is Mother's Day. The coming Sunday is Mother's Day and they are in a confusion. They couldn't fix which present they can give to their mother. They couldn't fix which present they can give to their mother. They are in a confusion. So they at first asked the squirrel, what can we give to our mother on Mother's Day? Then they told the animals about the importance of Mother's Day. What is the importance of Mother's Day? When do we celebrate Mother's Day? Do you know? When do we celebrate Mother's Day? Are you in the habit of giving a present to mothers on Mother's Day? Are you giving a present? Say children, are you giving a present to your mother? Yes, you are giving present to your mother. Very good. It is a very good habit. When do we celebrate Mother's Day? Mother's Day is celebrated on second Sunday of March. When? Second Sunday of May. Second Sunday of May. It is not March, it is May. Second Sunday of May every year. Every year we celebrate Mother's Day on second Sunday of May. Okay. The children told the animals that they celebrate Mother's Day on second Sunday of May every year. Then all the 4 animals put forward some ideas of their own, and those ideas were not accepted by the children because their mother is a human being, their mother is not a squirrel, their mother is not a deer, their mother is not a bear, their mother is not a rabbit, their mother is a human being. Okay, then these ideas were denied. Denied means not accepted by the children. So the squirrel told them that there was a wise old owl living near his house, and he is a wise one, he has some ideas and he can help the children. Then all the animals with these children approached the wise old owl, and the wise old owl find a solution for their problem. The wise old owl give a solution for their problem, and at that time they find a good present for their mother. What was the present? What was the present? Can you say? The present was they can pick some wild flowers at the edge of the forest, and they can give it to their mother. That will make their mother very happy. That will make their mother very happy. Okay, you read the text so many times as possible, and you will be very fluent in English reading, and that will help you in later learning. Okay, today let us find our class. Tomorrow we can do the exercises in the text. Thank you.